let's find the distance between 2 points. First situation, they give us some points with the coordinates like -1, 0, 6, 0, and 6, 4. And they ask us to find the distance A to C. So we want to know this distance here. So this is set up for the distance formula. The distance formula is the square root of, you subtract your x values and square it, and you add subtracting the y values and square it. And you take the square root of that. That's your distance. It's based on the Pythagorean theorem. So if we use this, we want to find the distance A to C. It's the square root of. We're going to subtract the x values for point A and point C. So -1 minus 6. And we'll square that. Plus, now subtract the y values, 0 minus 4. And square that. So that is -7 squared plus -4 squared. When you square negatives, they turn positive. So this is the square root of 49 plus 16, which is the square root of 65. That answer cannot be reduced. There's no perfect square number that will divide 65. So this would be your answer. Now another type of question written out in words. Bobby lives 5 miles north of Alan. Alan lives 12 miles west of Carol. How far apart do Bobby and Carol live? So this is still find the distance between 2 points. So let's draw a picture of this situation, what's going on. Bobby lives 5 miles north of Alan. So let's get Bobby's house. And he's north of Alan, so we'll put Alan down here. And they are 5 miles apart. And then Alan lives 12 miles west of Carol. So if Alan's here, Carol's going to be over here, 12 miles this way. And they want to know how far apart do Bobby and Carol live. So this is a right triangle. We can use the Pythagorean theorem for this one instead of trying to convert this into coordinates and using the distance formula. Pythagorean theorem is basically the same thing. So Pythagorean theorem is our sides. I'm going to call this, we'll call this A, this side B, this side lowercase c. A squared plus B squared equals C squared, talking about the side lengths. So we have 5 squared plus 12 squared equals the distance we're looking for, squared. That is 25 plus 144, which is 169. And then to get the distance, we need to square root it, just like we were doing in the distance formula. That gives us 13. So Bobby and Carol live 13 miles apart.